This guitar began its life as a Washburn Lyon, Lyon. I guess they were low-end guitars, but anyway, I kind of liked the way the neck looked, so I reshaped the headstock and finished it off with some Watka oil and then reshaped the actual profile underneath to make it more of a flatter, kind of a flatter C versus kind of the baseball batty thing that it was. But what I wanted to point out on this is the body. The body, it was originally set up for 3 single coils, and that's the way they came. And I wanted to use it as a test platform to put humbuckers in. So that's what I'm going to do. And so when I get in here, and I'm expecting I'm going to have to route the innards of the guitar out, and it's going to take a while. I just hit a couple times with a chisel right here and right here and right here, and then the whole pieces, all the pieces of wood just kind of fell out. And if you look at this thing, it's literally made of, it's like compressed wood of some type, but it's just like the lightest, weakest balsa wood you could possibly imagine. Anyway, so if you see these guitars around, these Washburn Lyons, I wouldn't pay anything for them. Although the neck is good, needs a lot of work to get it straightened out. There's fret sprout on it. The frets are pretty level, actually. So it's a workable neck, but the body, it's good for what I'm going to use it for. It's going to be used for testing humbuckers or single coils that flop in and out pickguards. Another little note, I make my test pickguard covers out of dry erase board. So it's real cheap at Lowe's. Just go buy it and cut them to fit, and then you can throw whatever pickups in there that you want, test them out.